All right, just make sure you're going to Google My Map if you're going to make a map. This is just the best way to show you what I am expecting. Sorry, I always do this first. Give me a sec. Share on Drive. Okay, so you're going to make a point first. So I think chemical alley, like stuff like that, comes up in a general area. So Barry is pretty big. I'm going to do Barry. I'll show you Barry as an example. So when you add this to the map, um, let's see here. When you add it to the map, it goes to like the most central area ish of Barry. It actually is the downtown Barry core. So now that I want to show now the actual area of Barry and how it goes, how big it gets. So here is adding the marker, and here is adding a line or shape. It's called a polygon, if you ever notice there. So I'll tell you two things. So what I'm going to get you to do is only make a little triangle. Okay. So start with a little triangle, and then you can take these and pull them to the size that you need. All right. So I know it's pretty fascinating. I used to get my students to go all the way around, and they couldn't let it go, and they messed up all the time, and I had to give them more time. But then we realized in like the third year that you can make a little little triangle first and then go all out. I know, hilarious. So yeah, so you take it and you just keep pulling it. You can make extra little circles, more detail, that kind of thing. And that's how you can make a polygon for bigger sections, if it does go bigger than just Barry or just one little area. And then if you move it like that on accident, you just hit Control Z. It's just like a document, a Google Doc, that it will go back to the way it was. Control V, Control C. And you don't need to save as you go, which is really nice. Some programs, they shouldn't be doing that anymore. It's like 2024. But anyway, so that's how you do it. And let me know if you have more questions.